Good day everyone. Today is May 11 and we should check situation we have on Bitcoin market. If we're gonna see weekly time frame, we see that we had a massive rejection from weekly Ichimoku cloud, from downtrend long time, and from this one downtrend too. This rejection was made with massive volume, so we can predict that we can slide down slowly and easily. Right now we have a strong bullish movement. As we see, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks without a retrace, and only now we got a rejection. Weekly situation shows us that it is strongly bullish movement, and now we have simple correction. But if we will see, take in mind that we have many resistance lines that we didn't breach, it can suggest us that price can slowly move down, as we all know that Bitcoin halving almost happened, and after halving most of the time price starts slide down and only then bounce for the new bull run. Weekly still shows that we going up, we should not forget it. Okay, let's go to daily. What shows situation in daily chart? We see that we have ended this daily, not a daily, it's a 4-hour bull run with a full grade 5 waves, and we now starting a correction. This a sharp fall was stopped with our upward channel we had from March, and our price was catch right now. Daily price movement shows us that there is less buyers, but buying impulse are still strong, and we have a place to go lower until we try to bounce. If we see that we have big buyer strength from history, we have upward movement, so we know that weekly goes up, daily goes up. Let's check 4-hour. What do we see? We see that right now we have a possible bounce mark when we stuck in this 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, and we know that weekly goes up, daily goes up, So it is a high possibility that we may bounce to check this downward channel upper line. We see that negative seller pressure stopped. Now market has no idea where to go, so we should wait and see. We bounced from this support line already 2 times, and if we come like this, we will breach it. Here is possible area where we could bounce up. There is maybe 10% possibility that this area will be the area where price will bounce and we will go for the new one bull run, and this all movement will be corrected. Right now there is bigger chance that we will test this area, and if we breach this downward trend, we will go definitely more lower, maybe to test this area. We need time to see, but right now I think we have a decent chance to go check this area or this area. Okay, so let's go deeper into 1 hour. We see that 1 hour time frame seller pressure almost gone and people start buying, but new money do not comes into market. Here we can see that possible head and shoulders pattern. I don't like it, I don't trade it, but this time is obvious. So possible situation that we will form this shoulder and we will go upward. I think this area may be the best area for a possible short position, but everything needs to be confirmed. If we check this H1 movement, we may say that if it is a correction of all this bigger movement, this will be A, this will be B, maybe too much, A, B, and further movement to C. If we will come to this area again, I think there is a high possibility that we will go upward, because people that stuck in this range will be let out, so possibility that we will move up will increase. Right now I will make some buy limit orders on this resistance line, and if we reach it, I think I will buy some to enter this short trade. But we need to check how it will be breached. As we see, we are now forming a new resistance area. It will be H1 Ichimoku cloud. How about H4? H4, it is right now, it's supporting us, but we see that if price goes lower, okay, if price, okay, if not price will not bounce, we will get H1 resistance, and eventually H1 resistance will become into H4 resistance. We see that 8400 will become a resistance area, and now we have 8600, so not so long to go. Okay, H1 shows us a possible movement up, but we need to wait confirmation. Maybe we see something from M15. Okay, M15 shows us that we have buyers, but we don't have big volume on movement. So now we see situation. We bridge down and get impulse. We go up and get impulse, as we see this head and shoulders situation. Most of people will can say that it cannot be like this, but as market is manipulated, I think there's a high possibility that we will go up. Right now we should check, see maybe this retest or this retest, and slowly bouncing up and going up, or big impulse down. All we can say right now, it is a correction of all that bullish movement. Nothing bad happened, price just corrected. So we need to see entry for a long. I was speaking long time ago, until we breach 8000 and until we breach down from this Ichimoku support, until it forms resistance cloud, we still are in bullish movement. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped for someone. Goodbye.